actually under a week from Halloween, and there's been a lot of talk about my daughter's first Halloween costume, and we're on our way to Walmart to make the Flea costume happen. I don't know if any of you guys watch Quartercast, but basically my husband is a serious amateur costume maker, like has won money for his costumes, and you only get a baby's first Halloween once. So he decided we should all go as carriers of the bubonic plague. So she's a flea and we're rats. But they don't sell baby flea costumes, so we have to make it. So welcome to our family craft project that is time limited. Off to Walmart. We have some ideas for flea costume. The challenge with baby costumes is, like, are you doing it for the photo op? You prop them up in front of some pumpkins and you see the costume. Or do you want it to be on display when you're walking around with them? Our baby doesn't sit up yet, so we could carry her just like in our arms. Usually I carry her in a baby carrier, which would hide part of her costume. The flea, you want like the limbs to stick out. People might end up thinking she's a spider. But for us, for the rat costumes, I am advocating that we just make masks, and I found a bunch of YouTube tutorials on how to do this. So we just need like paper and stuff. This is where we should insert the rat costume, the like $99 rat costume on Amazon. Because there was a bar set, unfortunately, but I couldn't permit a $200 expense on a rat costume. Like, this economy, no thanks. But, you know, we could make mat rasks and then wear like...
Mat rasks.
What did I say?
Mat rasks.
Rat mask. That's a spoonerism. Do you know that? A spoonerism is a term for when you mix up the first letters of two words.
Really?
I think a famous priest maybe who did this, but I learned it in one of my English classes in high school.
This is the kind of stuff that people subscribe to your videos for, by the way, just so you know.
If that's true, they better leave me a comment and say the more fun facts, the better. Ooh, we came to Walmart this Saturday before food stamps end.
Oh, by the way, I was watching some shit last night. We should probably stock up because there's supposed to be riots.
Cool. That's tomorrow's task, though.
Yeah.
Today is Halloween specific. But I do have a treat I want to get.
There's a rat.
This poor guy just watched me pull around his car like a psycho. Oh, I think I just interrupted some sort of conversation.
Did you?
I'm not a psycho, but it's just not my best part.
There's a furry coming behind us here.
Yeah, well, furry's man is letting me do this. If this isn't a vlog, I swear. So this is what we're thinking. This is also nice because we can like use it afterwards. See, it's got like the foldy feet. The other thing is, and this is just regional to us, but like our Halloween is going to be cold. So that changes the type of costume you can make. You're a photo op costume. Oh, look. Looks like they have one last one in her size.
Oh, perfect.
So what we're thinking is that these would be arms. We'll have to cover them with something. Fleas have like 3 sets of arms. So do we sew like an arm onto here and then make this one another one of the arms? Or these, is it like this arm, and then just one off the side? Is this like the thorax down here, and it's got this arm, and then we add 2 on each side? Or is this the third leg?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
That's the beauty.
Well, good. We'll make it up as we go along. This article, 2017. Please carry block leave found in Arizona.
Oh wow.
Visit your Walmart pharmacy to learn more. This is a paid advertisement for Pfizer.
I guess the question is like, is this cheaper than just buying one?
Well, the answer is it's not about the money they don't make flea costumes.
That's true. So if we use this as our reference photo, you can see that on each side the flea has like 3 of these legs that have little hairs, etc. And then it's sort of got pincers. These, what I am describing as legs, seem to come off its face. So you get like this side profile where the legs all hang down. But if we do it from above and we make it sort of like a cape or a jacket, and we have like this as a hood over the baby's head, and then we can like make a little padded thorax. I don't think that's the wrong word for this. Entomologists don't come for me. We can sew on legs here and here, and then wherever her little like arm band strap would be, we can cover it with another one of these legs, and then make little pincers and give it an eye, and then use the felt and pipe cleaners to make like the ridge details. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. We are possibly onto something here. We have to fill the bag, or the thorax, abdomen? We should really look this up.
The abdomen is the lower part, the thorax is like the body.
Do fleas have thorax? Not all bugs have thoraxes.
Insects do.
Well, anyways, we have to fill this thing. Can I put you down for a second? There you go. Thank you. These ones are straight, but I figured they could go over the arm. We could even make little cuffs, so that way they're more flexible, you know? So when the baby moves. Whereas these ones are the shape that they're supposed to be. Although I can't remember if they're all supposed to go this way or the other way. Yeah, I was thinking I'll make little, like maybe either use felt or like dress these up some more too, or use the pipe cleaners like we were talking about.
Yeah, we can cut like...
The legs have these little like sections, you know?
Yeah,
so I was thinking I would just use the... Oh, I was thinking we'd use the brown pipe cleaner. And that'll tie some of the colors together.
Yeah, I'm not even done with this yet.
It already looks better than I could have come up with.
Well, good job.
Thanks.
On to the next part.
On to the next part.
So what are you doing?
Well, you know, we're 2 days out from Halloween, so I'm cutting up felt and gluing tiny hairs to my baby's flea costume. Doesn't this seem like sort of bizarre? Someone else is like getting their baby into like a stuffed, cute thing, and we're like, how accurate can we get these legs on this flea? But I do think it makes a difference. It looks kind of plain without it.
I agree.
So those two would like hang off the sides, like one kind of by her legs, one in the middle, and then this one is attached so it goes over her arm, and we can like make another wristlet so when she moves her arm, this one moves.
That's a good idea.
Thanks. The flea head to me, this is my interpretation, just looks like it's like one thing and it's got like eyes, but we should just do the scales on the body and then go from there, you know?
You mean on the pillowcase, right?
Yes, on the...
Okay, let's do that. Break.
It's Halloween. We're driving to our Halloween gathering. The flea costume is enormous and is riding as a passenger in the car. I'm very tired, but hopefully we'll get some Halloween vibes here in a minute. The Flea is a labor of love, hot glue, and just like a hope and a prayer. We do have rat masks, and we'll be able to at least be a gang costume. It's really windy, so I don't know how well the masks are gonna last. This was a concern from our consultant who came in to help, but it'll be good, you know?
Okay. Pros, costume's fantastic. It is getting recognized for the most part and lots of applause. Cons, it's incredibly windy and my paper rat mask not staying on. Big boo from the baby. Happy Halloween.